before you even begin to introduce the notation for decimals, your child should understand the size relationship, because decimals need to be seen in order for children to make sense of them. So let's just go through now and describe numerically how to write 1/10, 1/100th, and 1/1000th. So here we have the familiar number 1. This represents 1 whole unit square. Here I've written 1/10 as a fraction, but that's equivalent to 0.1, the decimal point, and then the 1. The decimal point breaks up the whole numbers from the fractional parts. Now we've got 1/100th. That's 10 times less, if you recall. So when I write 1/100th, I write it as 0.01, because the fact that this is one place value over from the 10th will represent why it's called 100th. And I'll be going over this in the next part of this series about exactly why and how the place value location equals the amount. So now with 1/1000th, if you see the pattern and your child sees the pattern, it's going to look like 0.001. There's a relationship between tenths, hundredths, and thousands that's easy to see, but really the important part here is that your child is grasping how much smaller 1,000th is than 100th and even than 1/10th. Because remember, the relationship is it takes 10 of this size to make the next largest size. So I'm going to stop here for today, and we'll go over more about how these numbers represent decimal equivalents and sizes and how much you color in the next video. Please like and follow for more, and don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a lot more about decimals coming up. Thank you.